Aroha na Mokopuna has been in the school for just over 3 years, and when we were first approached by the Rauawaawa Trust as a concept bringing karawa into the school to support promoting healthy living and lifestyles, I thought it was a really good fit for our school, being a health promoting school.
Because we've had 3 years, the relationships between the Kaumatua and the children have just built up over time, and that trust is there, and they've been able to get to know them very well.
They play games and talk about how exciting their young days were and what they used to eat.
They do performances and stuff, and they introduce themselves, and we start off with karike and wata.
I've never experienced anything like this before, and I think when I first started and I heard that there were Kaumatua coming in, and I was just blown away at I guess how many of them had the time to come and spend with our kids, and just how much they put into it. It really meant a lot, and yeah, like I said, I've never experienced anything like that anywhere I've been, and I've been teaching for 9 years now.
They come and make me happy, like my mum.
Makes me feel happy because there's other people coming into our school, and it feels like they're our family or something.
And if we listen to them, that's the big key thing for children and adults, is to listen to what they say. Because when you listen to what they're talking about, you can link in and pictures can form, and you can tap into their learning when you listen to what they enjoy.